Let me tell you something powerful. A woman doesn't fall for a man because he tries the hardest. She falls for the man she can't stop thinking about. And right now, you want to be that guy in her mind. The one she checks her phone for, the one she smiles about when she's alone, the one she feels something for before she even understands why. Because women don't decide attraction with logic. They don't make a list and go, oh, he's nice, I pick him. No. A woman feels her way into attraction, slowly, unexpectedly, and when that feeling comes, she wants more and more of the man who created it. Today I'm going to show you how to be that man, not a game player, not a character, but a man who naturally triggers the deepest feminine desire to chase a connection that feels exciting and safe at the same time. So listen closely. These shifts in your behavior will make her look at you differently. You'll become a mystery she wants to explore instead of a choice she has to evaluate. Ready? Let's begin. Point 1. Show up like you're the prize. Imagine this. You walk into a room where she's standing. You don't rush to her. You don't stare. You simply exist with a calm and powerful presence. Women feel this energy instantly because when you act like you're lucky she's paying attention, you lose attraction. But when you behave like, if I choose you, that's the lucky part. She starts noticing you. She studies you. She wonders, why isn't he trying to impress me? What makes him so confident? What's going on in his mind right now? A woman's desire starts with curiosity. Give her a reason to observe you. Stand tall, move slowly, speak with intention, not because you're pretending, but because you know your value. You don't chase the prize, you are the prize. Point 2. Make moments she can replay. Women fall in love with moments, not people. Think about it. That one playful smile, that unexpected compliment, that intense eye contact when neither of you speaks. Those are the moments that stick. Use simplicity. When she's laughing, pause. Look at her lips for half a second, then back into her eyes. Then say quietly, that smile, you should be careful with that. She'll laugh it off. She'll pretend it's nothing. But later, she'll replay it. In the shower, before bed, when she wakes up. You become a scene in her mind, a scene she keeps watching again and again. That's desire, not forced, but planted. Point 3. Let her chase the truth. Men fall fast, women fall when they wonder. So give her a little mystery. Don't reveal every detail about your life in one breath. Make her curious. She asks, do you like anyone right now? You smirk and say, if I told you, you'd start blushing. Now she's wondering, does he mean me? Is he hinting? What did he really mean? That confusion creates excitement, and excitement creates attachment. The moment she tries to figure you out, she's already falling. Point 4. Lead with purpose and direction. Women are most attracted to a man who leads, not by controlling her, but by leading the moment. Instead of, where do you want to go? What do you want to do? Try, we're grabbing a coffee at that place on the corner. You'll love it. Or, come sit here. The view is better from this side. Decision is masculine. Following is feminine. When you lead, you activate her feminine energy, and she will feel safer with you, more excited with you, more connected to you. A woman wants a man who knows where he's going, because then she can imagine going there with him. Point 5. Balance attention and absence. Here's a secret. Women fall faster when they don't have full access to you. Give her attention, but not your entire world. Text her back, but not instantly every time. Compliment her, but not every 5 minutes. Think of attraction like a candle. A little wind makes the flame dance. Too much wind, it dies. She should feel that you want her, but she should also feel that you could walk away. That balance makes her think, does he miss me? Why isn't he texting right now? What is he doing? When she starts asking those questions, she's hooked. Point 6. Inspire her imagination. Women don't just want a man, they want a story with a man, so show her there is more to discover. Talk about a dream you're building. One day I'm going to have a place near the ocean, mornings with coffee, nights with the sound of waves. Let her picture herself there with you. Share pieces of your world that excite you, travel, passions, goals, not to impress her, but to make her feel like you're headed somewhere. When a woman sees a future with you, she starts investing in you. Point 7. Trigger her feminine energy. Women want to feel soft, playful, desired, so allow her to be that with you. If she gets shy, say, "Look at you trying not to blush." If she gets playful, tease her, "You're dangerous. I need to keep an eye on you." If she touches you lightly, pause. Look at her hand, then into her eyes. Your calm masculine energy invites her deeper into her feminine, and when a woman gets to feel feminine around a man, she'll never want to lose him. Point 8. Make her feel chosen, not owned. This is powerful. Show interest, but only when she earns it. Don't compliment her looks alone. Compliment her behavior. "I like how your mind works. You have an energy that pulls me in." This tells her she's chosen for who she is, not the attention she gives. Every woman faces men who want her body. Very few find a man who wants her soul as well. Be that man, and she will feel lucky to be seen by you. Bonus line. To melt her completely, use this when the tension is already high. Look at her slowly, hold eye contact, and say, "You're not what I expected. You're better." Then let silence do the flirting. No explanation, no rush. Her mind will start spinning. What did he mean? Why better? Better in what way? That psychological tension? That's what makes her crave the next moment with you. Listen, making her want you isn't about pretending. It's about showing up as a man who knows his worth. You create curiosity, you create excitement, you create safety, and suddenly you become a feeling, not a choice. And feelings are impossible to ignore. You will be the man she talks to her friends about, the man she thinks about when she's quiet, the man she wants more and more. So go ahead, use this wisely, make her feel lucky that she crossed paths with you.